When you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. You have the most fundamental and major decision that you have to make in your life is this. Do I live in a friendly or a hostile universe? Which is it? Is it a universe that is filled with hostility and anger and people wanting to hate each other and people wanting to kill each other? Is that what you see? Because when you see the world that way, that's exactly what you will create for yourself in your life. When you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change.
human is a guest house. Every morning, a new arrival. A joy, a depression, a newness. Some momentary awareness comes as an unexpected visitor. Welcome and entertain them all. Even if they are a crowd of sorrows who violently sweep your house empty of its furniture, still treat each guest honorably. He may be clearing you out for some new delight. The dark thought, the shame, the malice. Meet them at the door, laughing, and invite them in. Be grateful for whoever comes, because each has been sent as a guide from beyond.
I've tried to write a million other songs, but somehow I can't move on. Oh, you're gone. Takes time, alright, and I know it's no one's fault, but somehow I can't move on. Oh, you're gone. Nothing more that I can say, says it in a better way. So darling, so nothing more that I can say, says it in a better way. Tem tanto que trago comigo, foi sempre o meu porto de abrigo, e agora nada faz sentido. Perdi o meu melhor amigo, e se não for demais, peço por sinais. Resta